Next example. So in this complex, here cobalt ammonia 6 I am taking. Okay, so the metal orbitals are 3d7 4s2 4p0, and after losing 3 electrons 3d6 against Hund's rule, the remaining all electrons paired. Against Hund's rule mean before completing a half filled configuration, electrons paired up, that is okay, against Hund's rule. And the coordination number 6, the metal atom creates 6 vacant orbitals, that is equal to coordination number. Okay, now the requisite number of vacant orbitals are created by the central metal atom. Requisite mean that should be equal to coordination number. Okay, so hybridization D2sp3. So inner orbital complex, because D is first in the hybridization, that is inner orbital. Okay, now and octahedral shape, spin paired, low spin, diamagnetic, and also n is the number of unpaired electrons. There is no unpaired single electrons, so that is a diamagnetic, and n value is 0. Unpaired electrons 0, dipole moment also 0. Next I am going to explain the next example. Please take screenshots, all of you. Next. Next to example 2. Example 2. This complex cobalt F6 minus 3. Okay, now this complex is a paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. Paramagnetic mean which have unpaired electrons. Based on that, he explained the hybridization and also its geometry. Here same here cobalt. So ground state configuration is what happened, 3d7 4s2 4p0. Okay, and 3d7 there are 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and in s orbital 2 electrons, in p orbital there is no electrons. So here also cobalt oxidation state is +3, cobalt to +3 oxidation state. So the 3d6 again, 3d6 4s0 and 4p0. Here in 3d orbital 5 and 4s orbital and 4p orbital. Here Hund's rule is following. Because here fluorine is the ligand, which is the weak field ligand. In some complexes, Hund's rule is follows. Hund's rule follows because fluorine is weak field. Okay, now in some complexes he told Hund's rule is follows. In some complexes Hund's rule not follows. So if Hund's rule is follows, what happened? The electrons, because it is also paramagnetic. Paramagnetic mean electrons, unpaired electrons must present. So 1 2 3 4 5, then after 6, Hund's rule is follows. Okay, now there is no vacant orbital in 3d orbital. In 3d orbital there is no vacant empty orbital. Your coordination number is 6. That means 6 empty orbitals of metal required. So here s orbital 1 2 3 4, then remaining 2 belongs to 4d orbital. Okay, na? So in 3d orbital there is no available electrons. Okay, na? Fluorine is weak field, so that's why electrons are not paired. Hund's rule follows. Fluorine is a weak field. Actually field strength he did not explain. The next theory explained, crystal field theory explained. So Hund's rule is follows in this case. In the before case, is ammonia is a strong field. In such case, electrons paired up. That is because diamagnetic. All electrons are paired. So in this case, fluorine is weak field. Hund's rule follows. The electrons, there is no vacant orbital in 3d orbital. So the hybridization mean here coordination number 6. If coordination number 6, hybridization is here maybe sp3d2 or d2sp3. But for particular complex, there is no vacate orbital in 3D shell, so the 6 vacate orbitals are required, that is equal to coordination number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hybridization sp3d2, sp3d2 hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization. So now we are going to discuss the properties. The properties, if we discuss, the properties of this complex, number one, hybridization is sp3d2. if hybridization sp3d2 or d2 sp3 also, shape is fixed, that is geometry or shape. Geometry is octahedral, fixed. Octahedral, there is no change. And number 3, if d orbital is lost in the hybridization, d is lost, that means nd orbital is involved, lastmost shell orbital involved. So this is outer orbital complex, complex. These properties are important for entrance point of view. And number 4, this is a spin free, electrons are free, not paid, spin free complex. Spin free complex. And also this is a high spin complex. High spin mean electrons are free, high spin. Number 6, this is a weak field complex. And also this is a ionic complex. Ionic compound and ionic complex. And also 8 I am writing here, ionic complex. And magnetic momentum paramagnetic, because there are 4 unpaired electrons. Paramagnetic, magnetic nature is paramagnetic. And also if you calculate unpaired electrons, dipole moment equal to under root, here n into n plus 2, n value is 4 unpaired electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, just now I told na. So here formula n into n plus 2, Bohr magneton, dipole moment, mu is the dipole moment, okay na. So n is the number of unpaired electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n equal to 4. So just you submit in that, you will get 4.98 bm, you will get approximately. So these are the properties of this complex. So the finding the hybridization, it is based on the ligands. Now so this is about hybridization, weak field. I am again explaining here. This is the in this complex, this is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic mean the unpaired electrons must be present in the complex. So in the ground state 3d7 4s2 4p0, cobalt is 27 atomic number, outermost shell configuration. So in the ground state it is like this. But when in the complex cobalt is plus 3, it is lose to 3 electrons. So if 3 electrons lose, 2 electrons from here, 1 electron from here lose to, now we will get 3d6. Then 3d6 configuration, here Hund's rule is following, because fluorine is weak field ligand. So in the before case ammonia is strong field ligand. In the strong field ligand all electrons paired up against Hund's rule. But in this case, Hund's rule is following, because fluorine is weak field, all electrons are, okay na, after completion of half field only pairing start, okay na. So next 4s0 4p0, in this complex there is a coordination number is 6, so we require 6 vacant orbitals of central metal. These are central metal orbitals. Now in 3D there is no vacate, so from s orbital is involved, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 2 d orbitals, sp3 d2 hybridization. If d orbital is ending in the hybridization, if d orbital is lost, that is lastmost shell Nd orbital is involved. The hybridization sp3d2, then geometry octahedral. This is outermost complex, outer orbital complex, and spin free because all electrons are free here, and high spin, and also it is also called weak field complex, and also ionic complex.